There's 3 courses in the certificate. The first 2 courses are geared towards data structures, algorithms, and coding. And the third one is more of like software design / system design. I've developed the first 2 courses and I teach them as well. Been in the industry for more than 25 years. So the program is for students who, first of all, already know programming, because we don't teach programming in this course. And these are students who might be upskilling within the same company. They might be looking for a different job, interviewing to other companies at some point. We keep it language agnostic, the instruction. Like when I'm talking about algorithms and data structures, I don't explain in terms of a particular language. We take assignments in Python and C# primarily, but we have had cases where students have requested, hey, I want to submit my assignment in Java or C++ or JavaScript, and that's okay, we can work with that. A big focus in the second course is, hey, we learned about a bunch of these data structures and algorithms. Let's figure out how to use them in solving the problem, because at the end of the day, that's what you really want to do. Course 3 is a little different in the sense that it is not about coding. It is more about design, and software design and system design. How are they built? What are the considerations that are taken into account? Like how do they scale with the traffic? How do they maintain, the service 24/7? Because obviously hardware fails, software fails. Yet, how many times do you see any of these big companies saying, "Sorry, we are shut down because there's a problem"? Very rarely it happens, and that's because there's a lot of engineering that goes behind the scenes. It doesn't come for free. So if I were to compare this certificate program with something that's a lot more compressed across maybe 2 or 3 weeks or such, the benefit here is that because it's spread over, let's say the first 2 courses are spread over 20 weeks, all 3 courses over 30 weeks, there's a lot of repetition just by the nature of things. When I repetition, I don't mean we repeat the same thing, but you are using these concepts that you learn constantly and kind of expanding on that. And so it gives you enough time to kind of digest that material and be able to actually put it to use. You can't learn that information from reading a book. We don't go into as much theoretical discussion as you might at a full-fledged degree college. And that's intentional, because we try to aim it towards people who are preparing for interviews, or they want to take the information and use it the next day in their jobs. So that's the goal. This is not a sprint, it's a marathon, right? Continual learning is absolutely essential in this domain.